Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. My 12/12 order arrived on December 28, 2020. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my very first KADS haul. First we have is a 3-piece set of nail liner brushes. Then we have a bunch of stamping plates, and they are Fashion 003, Fashion 013, Fashion 025, Festival 009, Festival 015, Festival 018, Geometry 001, Geometry 010, Immaturity 004, Immaturity 014, Nature 023, Nature 030, Sky 001, Summer 001, Summer 005, Summer 008, and Travel 001. And those are all of the products we've purchased on Shopee's 12/12 sale. I cannot wait to try out all of these products. Among all of the stamping plates, which is your favorite? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!